Hi, I'm back with some Happy Meal that I received and wanted to share with y'all. The first one is from Elaine Realized. I've already opened the envelope to make it a little easier to get into it. And it's the September-October group play. This is the backside, which is a roll and save, and on the front is Woods in Winter, scratch off. She also sent a really pretty daisy sticker. And this one is from Budgets with Tiffany. And there's a thank you card from her. It came with a little cat paper clip, a little angry cat sticker, and I'm just a girl who loves cats and donuts, color and save. And the one I ordered was this. My brain has too many tabs open, and I can really relate with this. I love cats. I have 5 of them, and this is a great little scratch off that I can't wait to get to use. And the last thing I got was from Purely Budgets. And now you guys know my name is Patricia. I go by Cats online. It's just my pseudonym. If I ever become an author, which was my dream when I was younger, that was going to be my pen name. Anyway, I covered the discount code that was included. I don't know if that's only something that's for people who make a purchase. I purchased this A6 binder that is supposed to be an oopsie, but to be honest, I'm not seeing any flaws. There's nothing that's visible to me. I really like the color, so I got sent that, and I've got some envelopes here, it looks like. Yep. So there were 5 envelopes sent with this. This will be the first time I'll have these kind of envelopes. I have the slide tabs in the binder that I'm currently using. to house my challenges that I've gotten for free or purchased so far. Also, I ordered a little tracker and was given a few freebies as well. I got a huge paper clip, vellum flowers. I think that's a sticker as well. Don't give up ever bookmark, really pretty. And this is what I had ordered. It's the $1 savings challenge, where you can save, looks like $45. Can't wait to get to use this. I haven't started really setting aside any money. That's something I plan on doing this weekend. I went and cleaned out the car and got a bunch of change, and that'll be one of the challenges that I'm going to do, that I've been seeing is with change, and most of my challenges won't be more than $5, because I am very low budget right now. But I can't wait to get to start doing these with you guys. Just bear with me. I'm in the process of getting my setup completed here. My daughter's letting me borrow a tripod. I had a phone that I was going to use that was an old phone, but it's broken. So as soon as I can, I will get some more videos out, but I hope you enjoyed this. I am really grateful to all the budgeters and creators for the content that they make and that they share with us. I really enjoy collecting your challenges, and I can't wait to share the ones I've collected with you guys and how I've begun to use them. Alright, thank you for your time, and I can't wait to talk with you guys again. Bye.